Hey everyone, and today I'm going to give you a 1-minute review and unboxing of the ThingyClub adjustable laptop desk mount. So the setup process was really easy and quick. It took me less than 10 minutes and I found the arm was really robust. It looked great and it was really easy to use and move around. I think this is going to be really great for people that do lots of video calls. I found when I was typing that the laptop would bounce up and down a little bit, so you will need to get an external mouse and keyboard if you plan on doing a lot of typing. However, I would give this 5 out of 5 because I'm so happy with the style and the quality. So there is my full review. Thanks very much for watching.